Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about science. In science, today's our topic is living and non-living things. Now, living things. What are living things? Things which can grow, which can breathe, which can reproduce. They are called they are called living things. Non-living things, they do not grow. You have table at your home. Does it day by day or after few years, do you see the changes in their size? No. Do they breathe? No. They move? No. Do they reproduce? No. So non-living things do not grow, do not breathe, do not move, and not even reproduce. These are the difference in living and non-living thing. I'll tell you more about difference in them. Living thing can move on their own. Non-living things cannot move of their own. Living thing needs food. If we take example of plant, they need water, they need sunlight. That is their food. They need that. But if you have table, chair, fan around you, does they need anything food? No. Living things breathe. Living things breathe. How we breathe? We breathe through our lungs. But non-living things, they do not breathe. Living things can feel. Living things can feel. Non-living things cannot feel. Living things can reproduce. Now what is reproduce? Like if we have a plant, their seeds turns to more plants. This from one to many, this is called reproduction. So living things do reproduction, but non-living things doesn't do that. Living thing die. Whatever is living thing, after a specific time they die. But non-living thing, they don't die. They don't have life. Means they don't have specific life. In the same way, in your notebook, now you have to make 2 columns. In that you have to write 5 points of living things, what are living things and what are non-living things. So now in this, I want you to do one activity. It's not hard. Activity will be like this. If we take one seed, how a seed turns to plant and a plant turns to tree. This way something you have to draw, and or you can stick the pictures also. Like a baby boy, then it becomes a adult, how it becomes a man, and how it becomes a old man. The cycle of how they grow. Like this you have to make one activity. You have to pick the pictures and you have to show the living thing how they grow. Thank you.